And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Planner Monday. Today's video is going to be reviewing this 12-month fitness happy planner. This is in the mini one, and this is from July 2019 to June 2020. So it does start a little bit later in the year. I think this is one of their new ones. I'm not exactly sure. So hopefully I like this layout a lot better than the other one. If you haven't seen my classic happy planner review, I'll put a tag right here at the top. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. So I did order this from Joann's online. No, I take that back. I did find it at Hobby Lobby. I did place a happy planner haul in February, and I just recently got it. So I don't know how to take this off. So let me take this off and I'll be right back. Okay, I went and grabbed some scissors because for some reason that was hard and it wouldn't let me undo it. So now that we took that off, so it is a vertical layout. I'm not sure if I've said that already. So it says, fall in love with taking care of you. And I think that is so cute. I love the colors and I don't mind the stars right here. They're in a silver foil. Go ahead and take that off. So you just get the usual little welcome sheet. It says, starting a new planner is the perfect time to set goals and intentions that will help you plan a happy life and fun while you're doing it. And then I do like this sheet. It says, hello, this mini happy planner fitness edition belongs to, so you can put your name here. So then it has 2019-2020 fitness goals, and I love this. This was not in the classic one. So basically you can put all your fitness goals on each side. And then it says, hello July, and you can put like what inspires you, what I'm loving about myself, how I'm strengthening my body, how I'm strengthening my mind. I think I might get one of those little printer things so I can put like maybe like pictures here, so what I look like in July, or even like a cute little quote. And then we start in July, and it has this beautiful divider. It says it takes 21 days to form a habit. Keep going. Okay, guys, I love this setup so much more. There's no stars. I have the hardest time covering up those stars every month. That was like very much right there. I did not like that. So, and then how they set up this one is you have today, focus, food log, and exercise. And I will do a video how I am setting up my classic happy planner so you can see how I'm actually doing that. But typically I do what I focus on that day, something that's like non-scale victory or something very positive going in my life. I do my food. My main food is tracked on my phone under my Fitness Pal. So here I just do a general what I'm going to eat for like the week. And then on my phone I do like my macros. And then I like how they have like the water intake so you can just fill that in, and then maybe something like a little quote right there. And then again you have a different color, and this says yes you can. And I like how they change the colors to match the month. So here's September's, really pretty. And I also love the color disc so much that I even got the metal disc because I am a metal girl. I will be changing these over as soon as I start this planner. So we have September, and we don't have a lot of foil on the dividers, I noticed, like the other one, but we do have like the tabs that are really nicely laminated. Pretty quotes. Oh, here's some foil. Exercise, it makes me happy. And then some pretty pink foil. Oh, I love this foil in that. So in this happy planner, it doesn't come with those little worksheets, but you do have one note sheets, which I have some extra note sheets that I'll probably put in there. And then this is what the back looks like. I hate these little sticky things because they always leave a residue. Alright guys, that was the 2019-2020 fitness planner. I love this one so much more. I like this layout so much more, guys. Like, you have no idea. There's no stars. It's just plain, simple, to the point. And then I'm going to change out these discs and it will be all set up. I am going to take some of the undated inserts that I have and put it in here so I can go ahead and start using it, because I don't really want to wait till July. Or I could go ahead and use it like in March, but I don't know how much the dates would bother me. So yeah, I'd rather just use an undated and then start using it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's Planner Monday video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.